This video shows the installation of Windows 11. You can download the Windows 11 from the link given in the description below from the official Microsoft website. So here I am downloading and installing Windows 11 on a virtual machine, and then I plan to just copy this onto my main system. So here you can see the ISO image used by me, and then I am powering on this machine. Another reason to use the virtual machine is so that I can show you guys the entire procedure, else I cannot record my screen while Windows is installing. Okay, so here I am selecting the language and time as defaults, and my keyboard would be US International, and select next and install now. Okay, so the setup is starting and this would take some time. Yes, here we have to select I don't have a product key. So here you can see all these supported versions of Windows 11. If you cannot see all these versions, then you would need an additional ei.cfg file, that is the config file in your ISO. For that, you can check the links in the description below. So here we are facing an issue that our PC does not meet the minimum system requirements. So we have a fix for it, and let's see the same. So we have to use Shift plus F10 to open the command prompt. By the way, you can get all the instructions on my blog. For the link to my blog, you can check the description of this video. So here we have to type regedit to go into registry editor, and then we have to find the local machine system setup. Okay, so we have here local machine system, and yes, we got this setup. So here we have to create a new folder named lab config using right click create a key. Now we have to create a new dword. And okay, paste is not working in this virtual machine, so I have to type this out, bypass TCM check, and the value would be 1. Next we have to create another dword named bypass secure boot check, and we have to keep the value same, that is 1. Okay, now we can exit and then press the back button, and then again next. Okay, so here we have to accept all the terms and conditions and then select next. And here I am using custom install so that I can get a fresh copy of Windows 11. Here you can select your installation drive and select next. Okay, so this procedure would take time, so I am just skipping this thing. Okay, so our virtual machine is restarting. So here Windows 11 is ready. We just need a couple of more setups. So I will select India over here and then yes. Here we have to select our input method. Skip this, we will configure it later. So as of now, I have not enabled internet connection on this virtual machine. So I don't have direct access. So I will continue with limited setup. So here you can put your name. And you can keep a password. And then security questions. A couple of more setup processes and this is done. So as you can see on the screen, this would take a few minutes. So I am again fast forwarding this. And here guys, you can see we have our Windows 11 ready. Here you can see the version of my Windows 11 and I have the Windows 11 Pro version. That is the build 22000. This is the latest build as of today from Microsoft. Do like this video and consider sharing it with your friends. Subscribe to this channel for more useful content.